This is the Octagon Theory demo for AI Modders. And what's an AI Modder? It's those of you who would like to create computer players for the Octagon Theory. Now these computer players can run on a server, and if they're good enough they can be installed in the actual game code which runs on iOS devices. First I'm going to show you a little bit of how we normally play the Octagon Theory. First of all, we go into the options screen. We set up the game. We got game type, which is basic and pro. We're going to use basic, and then you got player 2, which can either be a human, another human, or the AI CPU. Okay, we're going to select the CPU. We're going to keep it like that. We're going to go back and we're going to start the game. Start the game. Okay, player 1 is me, the human player, and this Akiba Andy is the AI, the computer player. So I'm going to make a move to a safe position far from the edges in the center of the board. The AI is going to make his move, and he's going to try to force me towards the edge of the board. And me being a scaredy cat, I'm going to move to another safe position. Akiba Andy's thinking, and he's going to make his move, and he's forcing me yet closer to the edge of the board. Over here in the terminal window there's nothing happening. That's because the AI is running in the iPhone device. It's part of the game code. It's internal. And okay, let me make one more move and see if AI Andy kicks me off the board. Yeah, there he goes. He's going to knock me off the board. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what happens when we play against the AI server. I'm going to stop the game. Okay. Over here in the terminal window, I have some files. TOT server.lua, they're all Lua files, is the AI server. That's what handles the communication between the AI running on the server and the iPhone client, or iOS client I should say, because it runs on iPod Touch, iPad, and iPhone. The actual AI is this here, find strongest positions new.lua. That's the actual AI. So the server is like the bridge between the actual AI and the client. It handles communications between the two. So I'm going to start up Lua. You need to install Lua on your Mac or your PC with the server code. Okay, now it's running and it says you can connect to me at 181.155.1.2. That's the IP address of the AI server, the machine that the server is running on. I'm going to go back in here to the options screen. And I'm going to show you a little trick. If you are or want to become an AI modder, I'll make you a special build that you can run on your iPhone or your iPad. And it will allow you to enter this IP address by clicking on the version number up here, which pops up a text box. Here I'm going to enter that IP address. Now right now I got this AI running on my Mac. It's internal. I could use localhost if I wanted to. But this could also run on another server somewhere on your network. Okay, when I hit return, I'm going to go back here, start the game again. When I start the game, you can see all kind of action over here because communication is going to be taking place between the client and the server. There we go. Okay, now it's waiting for a command, a move from the human player on the iOS client. Here I go again, safe move. Now the AI is thinking and he's making his move. Here he goes. And it shows you the state of the board. Right now you got a player 1 there and player 2 up here. 1 and player 2. Yeah, it's moving kind of fast so I can't really show you too much. Make another safe move. The guy's thinking and making his move. Actually, the AI module, I got on the server is the same one that's built into the the iOS device right now, which is actually the Xcode simulator. Okay, so what we can do is, if you want to become an AI coder, like I said, I'll make you a special build that allows you to enter the IP address of whatever server you're running the AI on. And I will give you an AI kit, which includes the AI server and an example AI module, which you can take a look at, study, and modify and make your own AI and test it on your server. And if the AI that you create is good enough, someday it might actually make it onto the actual iOS device, into the code, into the game code. And we plan on having AI competitions and playing AIs against each other. And the best of the bunch will make it into the iOS game code. Well, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed my little demo. If you have any questions, contact us at theoctagontheory.com or on Twitter, Octagon Theory.